If I go vegan, will I get enough protein? Or will my muscles just disappear? That's one of the most common questions people ask when the topic of plant-based eating comes up. Protein is almost a sacred word in the world of fitness, health, and dieting. But is it really true that without animal products, your body will fall into deficiency? Let's break it down, based on research, numbers, and physiology. No guessing, no fear-mongering, no hype. How much protein do we actually need? The World Health Organization recommends about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. So if you weigh 60 kilograms, about 132 pounds, you only need around 48 grams of protein per day. Athletes, pregnant individuals, and older adults may need more, up to 1.2 to 1.6 gram per kilogram, but even that is entirely achievable without meat or dairy. What does the research say about vegans? According to systematic reviews, vegans consume about 70-75 grams of protein per day on average, which is actually above the recommended minimum. But quantity isn't the whole story. What also matters is the amino acid profile. Proteins are made up of amino acids. 9 of them are essential. Our bodies can't produce them, so we have to get them from food. Some plant-based foods may not have all of them in ideal proportions. That's why people sometimes call plant protein incomplete. But that doesn't mean it's bad. It just means one food alone might not cover everything, so variety matters. How do you get a complete amino acid profile on plants? By eating a wide range of foods. Classic combinations include rice, beans, hummus oats, and nuts. Even if you don't eat them all at once, your body combines the amino acids you get throughout the day. Some foods come close to being complete on their own. Soy, tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, amaranth. These are excellent staples with well-balanced amino acid profiles. What about muscle? Can you maintain or build it on a plant-based diet? Yes, absolutely. And that's not just theory. It's backed by real-life examples. Plenty of plant-based athletes, from marathoners to powerlifters, have proven that it's possible. The key is to eat enough total protein and get enough leucine, an amino acid that plays a critical role in muscle protein synthesis. Leucine is slightly lower in many plant foods, so active individuals may need a bit more total protein, around 1.6 to 2 gram per kilogram. This is still completely doable with whole foods, legumes, tofu, seeds, nuts, no powders required. Who should pay extra attention to their protein intake? Older adults, due to reduced absorption, children and teens during periods of growth, pregnant and breastfeeding individuals, athletes, or anyone with a high activity level. But even for all these groups, a well-planned plant-based diet can meet all needs. The key is not to eat the same thing every day. Conclusion: 100% plant-based diet can fully meet your protein needs. You don't need to count every gram, buy expensive supplements, or live off protein shakes. You just need to eat a diverse, balanced diet. Legumes, whole grains, seeds, nuts, leafy greens, and ancient grains. This isn't about deficiency. It's about a conscious choice for your health, the planet, and compassion.